In this video, you will see how to type single bar or double bar in Microsoft Word document. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. To type the bar, go to Insert, go to Equation, go to Insert New Equation, go to Ascent, and here you will see two options, the bar and the double bar. If you want the double bar, just click on the double bar, and if you want the single bar, just click on the single bar. I want to add the single bar, so let me click on the bar option. Now click on this box and type your desired text. Let me write here X. By default, this is the italic format. Select it, go to Home and uncheck the italic. And you can change the font color from here. To change all of this, select all of this and change the font color. If you want to add the double bar, again go to Insert, go to Equation, go to Insert New Equation, go to Ascent, click on double bar and click on over here and write the number and go to Home and make it normal, and this is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.